Kadence suspension boom arm. A quick unboxing, and at the same time I'm going to load test this suspension arm. Load test because quite a lot of people would like to pick up a suspension arm like this for an overhead camera rig. But first let's have a look at what comes in the box. The suspension arm with a mic clip with 3/4 inch plastic adapter, a table clamp. Let's very quickly assemble this. I'm just taking the weight of the mic for reference. Rest assured, this stand can take the weight. As I've been assembling this boom arm, I've just realized that this boom arm from Kadence is nothing different from other generic boom arms which are available on Amazon. The only difference being this kind of branding on the stand. I've got an older boom arm of this same type, which is 1 year old, and I'm going to include that in the load test so that you can compare for yourself how the springs get looser over time. As you can see, both the boom arms can take the weight of the mic quite easily. Next up, the camera. Can it hold the weight of the camera? This camera lens combo weighs around 970 grams, almost a kilo. The older boom arm, the springs are already loose and cannot take the weight. While on the new one, the Kadence boom arm, no problems at all. Let's use a heavier rig. This is my heaviest lens, and the total weight here is around 1.1 kg. Of course, let's not test it on the older boom arm. Can the Kadence take it? And the Kadence boom arm holds it quite well. But wait, what happens if we tilt the camera over, like we would do for an overhead shot? This is the same setup which weighs around 970 grams, and it just about holds it. Let's use another confirmatory test. Remember, this confirmatory test is done in my kitchen. I got a hook like this and a shopping bag. In this I'm going to add some items. An empty bottle of water. Let's try another bottle of water which is full. It definitely cannot take the weight. A food container in addition to the bottle of water, and this takes the weight. I don't think we can add even 1 more gram. Let's weigh this. And surprise, surprise, the bottle of water and the food container is around 970 grams. So take it for granted that if you need to make an overhead grid with this boom arm, your entire rig has to be less than 1 kilogram.